see, oh my god, do you even care about yourself?
But okay. Yep, keep watching. What is popping, y'all? What's popping? Sorry now. What's popping, hey crew? I'm back at it again with another video. I'm back at it again with another cleaning video, to be specifically right. But anyways, I told you guys I was going to be rearranging my room, or did I? Maybe I didn't tell you guys. So you guys probably didn't see this coming, but it's coming right at y'all like boom. Shakalaka, boom, shakalaka. So today I'm going to be rearranging this hideous room. I'm about to show you guys how it looks so you guys can see exactly what I mean when I say hideous. There's weave on the floor, water bottles, there's freaking beds a mess, and crumbs. I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all.
So when you first come in, you see hectic. You see what the f is going on. You see, oh my god, do you even care about yourself? You see, what the f is that? You see, who the f did that? You see, animosity. You see everything. You're just looking like, what the f is wrong with her? You see, oh wow, she really let go of herself. Like, it's like, what was I thinking?
Look, y'all, I really don't know what's going on, but all I know is that we about to fix this. So let me tell y'all what I'm about to do, okay? So you guys know how my bed is currently over here. I will not be switching it to over there, not in this video, not doing that again, okay? Yeah, not no time soon. So I'm gonna be twisting it, not twisting. How do you twist a bed, bruh?
Are you okay?
I'm going to be moving it. Instead of it being towards the window, it's going to be towards the wall. Okay? Yeah. So. This is why I need a cleaner room. So yeah, we're going to be rotating this towards the wall. And that's how that's going to go today. So yeah. Let's get straight into it. I have to like really vacuum this floor because it looks like idiotic. Sorry that my edges are white. I didn't really care today, so I just really did like a swoop. And then I did another swoop. And I just kept swooping until I got this. And the edge control that I use want to make my edges white, so that's how we're going to leave it.
Something. I don't know what the fuck this coronavirus is about. I don't understand how that shit was from Wuhan, China. And let me tell you something. I ain't gonna front.
DJ Cali Era.
I'm really scared. I'm so scared. I'm saying like, look. That's what I'm really scared. I'm saying like, look. That's what I'm really scared. I'm saying like, look. That's what that is real.
DJ Cali Era.
Man, it's your boy beat up these sauce on the ground. My man, be good. He about to turn the fuck up, you dick.
Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done with my room. Hey, so y'all are about to see it because I feel like I did a pretty good job, you know. I always do a good job. I never disappoint.
Period.
Sorry for my edges once again. They look like hideous and crazy. I know. But yes, I feel like I did a pretty good job, and I can't wait to show you guys. So let's go.
Okay. This did her thing. She wasn't playing. Look at that. All the nice sneakers. Anything over here? Say hi, Nori, since you want to be in my video. You come over here. We have that. Nice. Get a little closer to it. Okay. Nice and neat. I think Nori likes the new room better. Because every time I redecorate my room, she's always in it. Say cheese. Aww. So yeah, this is really cute. I feel like I did a dope job. Period.
So y'all comment down below, how do you guys think I did? Did I do a good job? Did I do a bad job? Did I do an okay job? Let me know in the comments. But make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody you think will like it also, because I'm only dropping bangers all 2020. So be prepared and become a part of the crew by subscribing if you haven't already, because that really helps your girl out a lot. Plus, I'm trying to get to 1K so I can do this giveaway. You guys, I'm giving away something, but I'm not going to say it. The winner will really enjoy it. So that's all I'm going to say. I love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Peace.